Hi all, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I welcome you all to the meditation of currency charging. You will not use this currency in your hand. Now you will just keep this currency in your purse after it is charged. So I would request you all to take the currency in your non-dominant hand and put your dominant hand upon the currency. So if you are a righty, you will take the currency in your left hand and put your right hand above. Now just breathe in once, hold and remove the exhale from your mouth. Inhale again, hold, exhale from your mouth. One more, last time, inhale and exhale from your mouth. Normal breathing. You will now imagine a ray of white light coming directly from the divine source into your crown. This white light now occupies your spine and it is going down, and down, and down, and through the feet it now touches the Mother Earth, taking all the good materialistic energy from Mother Earth, taking all the abundant energy from Mother Earth. It now returns back through your hands, from the center of your palms into the currency note. You will start feeling a tingling sensation in your palms. And if you don't feel so, it's alright. It's still working. There might be certain vibrations in your hand or in your mind, and let those vibrations completely take over the currency note in your hand. Take your time. Amazing. Correct. Once the vibrations are gone, or you intuitively feel that now the currency note is completely charged, you will now imagine a emittance of red color, the happy red color. Emittance of red color above the white light. So finally, if you visualize, the visualization will be the currency note covered in a balloon of white and then emittance of red color over the balloon. That's right. Let this red color charge your note with abundance, luxury, love, let it be a magnet to whatever you desire or desire. Great. You would now need to shield this note. For shielding, you will imagine an indigo blue colored jelly-like substance over the red color emittance. Indigo blue color jelly-like substance over the emittance of red color. Now your note is charged as well as shielded, and that is why you will not use it, and you will only use the note in your purse to give this energy to the other notes in your purse. Now you will just say gratitude to the note for coming into your life and giving you such insights and such spiritual awareness. So in your mind, say, I am thankful for this currency note for being in my life. And now, very slowly be aware that you are in your room, and very slowly take your time to open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. I'm Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. Thanks from me and Team Infinite Healing.